Hello, dear children. Welcome to the second part of Geography Chapter 1 Resources, Class 8. Today, you will learn about human resource, human made resource, resource conservation, and sustainable development. Human made resources are those things which is the things of nature, but humans have modified it in order to fulfill their demand. Or we can also say that when we human beings use any natural stuff to make something new that provides utility and value to our lives, it is called human made resources. Example: buildings, roads, vehicles, machinery, etc. Human resource refers to the size of the population of a country along with its efficiency, educational qualification, abilities, etc. Thus, human resource is an important part of a nation. A nation's development is mostly depends upon its human resource, which includes human skill, technology, thinking, and knowledge that leads to a nation's power. Only human skill and technology can change the natural substance into a valuable resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. People can make the best use of nature to create more and more resource when they have knowledge, skill, and the technology to do so. Improving the quality of people's skill so that they were able to create more resources is known as human resource development. But nowadays, we humans, instead of using it carefully, we are destroying the environment through deforestation and industrialization. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. That means we must use the resources with utmost care, and at the same time we must give them time to get renewed. For example, if we are not using water carefully, there will be drought in the upcoming years. So, we should use the resources carefully and conserve them for future. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserving them for future is known as sustainable development. Or, in other words, we can say that carefully utilizing resources so that besides meeting the requirements of the present, also take care of future generation. So, whenever you are misusing any resource, remember that it's your duty to protect and conserve these resources for the future generation. The important principles of sustainable development are: all uses of renewable resources are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is conserved. The damage to natural environment system is minimized. It's our duty to follow these principles because the future of our planet and its people, it depends upon us. So always remember, environment and resource is no one's property to destroy. It's everyone's responsibility to protect. Thank you.